मन भूला बदी बात प्रेमनी मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I know that I'm looking a bit different. That is because it's Navratri time and thoda to makeup karna banta hai. And being a makeup artist and being a blogger, I love to get ready and especially to create different looks, and this time I have created this Navratri Garba look which looks like this. And if you want to know that how I have created this look, you have to watch this video till end. So before further ado, let's get started and see how I have created the look. But as I always say that don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and you can also comment in the comment section if you need to know anything and if you want to compliment my look. And all the accessories which I am wearing today are from the Instagram handle called Street Fashion Store. So I am going to insert their Insta handle in the description. You can go and follow them from there, and you can buy products from them. They have amazing jewelry collection, and they also ship your products really very fast, which I like personally. And that's it. So let's get started and see how I've created the look. guys, we are done with the makeup, and the last part of the makeup is our lipstick. So I am going to use the lip liner, which is MAC Soar. Then we are going to move on to the lipstick called Maple Mocha. So let's get started. Now let me finish my look with all the accessories and let me come back. So guys, this is the final look I have done. So you can see that after lipstick I have put on these bindis, and then I have also accessorized my hair. So this way you can also get ready for your Navratri, and best wishes for this Navratri to all of you all, and may Goddess bless you all with lots of happiness and whatever you want. So I hope that you have liked this particular look, because this is very different for me as well. I am personally loving it. I hope that you guys will also love it. And yes, if you love it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that is going to mean a lot to me. And a lot of you like watch my videos but you don't subscribe to my channel, so please do subscribe to my channel, because that's going to help me grow my page. And I'll be sharing all the links of all the products which I have used today in the description section, so you can go and check it out from there. And if you're not following me on my Instagram yet, do follow me there, because there also I come up with a lot of different kind of a content. And actually on Instagram I upload daily without a miss. So that's it for today's video. Do let me know how did you like this look by subscribing to my channel, or by commenting, or by coming and DMing on my Instagram. I would love to check your DMs and would love to talk to you guys. And that's it for today's video. If you need to know anything else apart from what we have done here, do let me know in comment section and I'll reply you there. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.